If once you know your breast, you know कि अब ये सही नहीं है, ये कुछ गड़बड़ है. Then you look for the changes in the nipple. Very commonly after the age of 60 especially, people come, हाँ ये nipple invert हो गया, हमने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. Pregnancy you should not get X-ray and CT. CT तो चलो कभी भी नहीं करवाना.
प्रेगनेंसी में कभी भी एक्सरे और सीटी नहीं कराना चाहिए. एक्सरे, अल्ट्रासाउंड, सीटी स्कैन और एमआरआई कब जरूरत पड़ती है कि इस केस में आपको एमआरआई चाहिए या इस केस में सीटी इज इम्पोर्टेंट?
Yeah, it's a very wide topic, I'll say. It depends on the body part and the concern. Honestly, Payal, I'll say, rather than putting your own brain as a, patient, you should go to a good clinician and go by the advice of the person. Do not Google, do not go by what the influencers say, because that's doing more harm rather than, little knowledge is more dangerous. So I should not answer this question honestly, because X-ray की अपनी indications है, ultrasound की अपनी है, हर body part में अलग indication होती है.
You know what? I love the fact that you snubbed my question because it does not need to be addressed because you need to ask a doctor. That's amazing. I really appreciate that answer.
Honest.
Coming to the next aspect, like you said, as a radiologist, आपका कितना exposure होता है radiations?
Honestly, मेरा इतना exposure नहीं होता. Only for the X-ray procedures, we have to be in the room and we use our shields and all. I think it's not.
It doesn't affect a radiologist. So if someone is looking for radiologist as a profession
long
or as
time
a
back
field.
when I chose this field, I remember I was attending the counseling and my father gave me a call. I was very happy I was getting radio diagnosis. So I told him, Papa, I'll get radio. And he was like, bete, ਉਹਦੇ ਚ exposure ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. There are CA risk and other things. Though there are studies which say that there is a higher risk, but then we all have the protocols and we strictly follow it.
Because I remember, again as a layman, Dr. Balreet, कि Marie Curie का कहते हैं, she discovered radioactive, this radiation, but she died of that. So I think वहीं से probably एक धारणा बनी आती आ रही है ना. Yeah.
There is they have to be careful. But now the protocols are very strict. So we all take good care of ourselves and we have the guards also. So it's not that much.
Now coming to X-ray, जो X-ray radiations are of course the highest, right?
No, CT is the highest.
CT is the highest. But CT का तो still एक CT scan है आपने नहीं, लेकिन X-ray में ना generally आपने तो खैर देखा ही होगा, हम भी देखते हैं कि अगर कोई पेशेंट जा रहा है तो साथ साथ में अटेंडेंट भी चल पड़ते हैं. You know that they are insecure, but they are also getting exposed to those radiations. So how do you look at that?
We always tell them to go out. Only if there are children, or infants or very small, we give them lead aprons and then they can accompany. Because like I said, एक X-ray, 2 X-ray, 10 X-ray,